In recent years, compact and versatile structures like mini greenhouse systems have offered an excellent solution for gardening enthusiasts and small scale farmers who love to grow plants, flowers, and herbs throughout the year. So, the main components that we have used are 16 by 2 LCD display, a mini electric water pump, a 5-volt DC relay module to control the mini pump, a servo motor which opens and closes the roof for ventilation, a 10K potentiometer to adjust the brightness of the LCD display, the Arduino Uno board which is the main control center of the system, an L293D IC, soil moisture sensor module, a DC motor with an attached mini propeller that operates the fan, and a DHT11 sensor module to detect the temperature and humidity. A greenhouse is a controlled environment designed to create an ideal growing environment for plants, enabling them to thrive regardless of external weather conditions. It has become an essential tool for modern agriculture, supporting food production and ornamental plant cultivation worldwide. As we continue to prioritize sustainability and environmental stewardship, mini greenhouses play a crucial role in cultivating a greener and more sustainable future for gardening enthusiasts and small-scale farmers alike. Now coming to the detailed working of the prototype. Here we will need three external power sources, one for the 5-volt DC relay module which controls the mini pump, one for the L293D IC which controls the DC motor, and the other for the Arduino Uno which powers the rest of the components. So let us connect them. Here we can see that the LCD display is active. It displays the real-time temperature measured by the DHT11 sensor module and the real-time moisture value measured by the soil moisture sensor module. The system is calibrated in such a way that when the temperature is more than 28 degrees Celsius, the fan turns on and the servo motor turns 90 degrees to open the roof of the greenhouse. Now, since the current atmospheric temperature is 29 degrees Celsius, the fan is on and the roof is open. Similarly, if the moisture content is less than 10 units, the mini pump turns on. For representational purposes, we have two soil samples here, one dry and the other moist. Firstly, let us place the sensor in the dry soil. Here we can see that the moisture value is 2, which is less than 10 units, so the pump is on. Next, let us place the sensor in the moist soil. Here we see that the current value is 46 units. So the relay module has triggered the pump to turn off and hence the water does not flow. So this is the working of a prototype system.